Hello, today we're going to discuss the theory of multiple intelligence and how to use technology within this theory. Howard Gardner was the person who came up with the theory of multiple intelligences. He has written many books on the topic, and he has designated 8 intelligence types. These include linguistic, musical, logical, mathematical, spatial, bodily, kinesthetic, intrapersonal, interpersonal, and naturalist. There are 2 additional intelligences that Gardner is currently testing to see whether they are actual intelligences or simply talents. One of the reasons why I like Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences is the fact that I have noticed within my own teaching, and as well as when I was a student, that teachers spend a lot of time disciplining their students. Of course, this is much more prevalent in elementary school and middle school ages, but across the board, all teachers spend at least some time trying to control students and monitor and control their behavior. I did a quick YouTube search of classroom discipline strategies, and there were hundreds and hundreds of different videos talking about how to control the students. One of the reasons why this was so interesting to me is because I feel like teachers are taking so much time disciplining students that they are not able to teach. And if we could find a better method to actually teach our students and engage them in learning, we would have more success. And I feel like that's where the theory of multiple intelligences comes into play. One type of technology that I felt would be really appropriate to use within the theory of multiple intelligences is a technology called Movely, which is shown here. And what Movely is that you can make different videos and present them in different formats for students. And then you can also have your students create videos and use those videos to present projects, as is suggested here in this section. I feel like this is a great way for students to use their intelligences. For example, if you have a student who has musical intelligence, they could create a video using music to present a project. Or if you have an artistic student, they could do the same thing using art. If you have an interpersonal student who has an interpersonal intelligence, they could perhaps give a lecture on the video. If you have a student who has the body kinesthetic knowledge, intelligence, then they could dance or do something with their bodies to teach this same topic. I feel like using videos and having students create videos through this technology, through Movely, is a great way for them to use whatever method they feel most comfortable with and that they have the most interest with to present whatever it is that they're trying to show that they can do. By doing so, we will allow them to feel that they are doing well, regardless of whether they can write a research paper or whether they can draw the picture well or not. This will help students across the board to present with the intelligence that is most appropriate for them.